This new Google Pasta AI image generator is absolutely wild. Google just dropped Pasta, and it's going to change how you create images. This system actually learns what you want by watching your choices across multiple rounds. No more typing the perfect prompt and hoping for the best. Pasta talks to you, shows you options, and gets smarter with every click. If you're tired of AI giving you random results, this is your answer. Google Research just officially announced Pasta, and it's honestly game-changing for anyone creating images with AI. This came straight from Google's research blog on October 2nd, 2025. Let me break down what Pasta actually does and why you need to know about this. Pasta stands for Preference Adaptive and Sequential Text-to-Image Agent. Right now, when you use AI image generators, you type a prompt and hope it works. You get 4 images and maybe one is close to what you wanted. Pasta completely fixes this problem. Instead of guessing what prompt to write, Pasta talks to you. It shows you options and learns what you actually like. You start with a basic prompt. Pasta shows you 16 images arranged in 4 columns. Each column has 4 images from a different prompt expansion. You pick the column you like best. Pasta then creates 4 new columns of images based on your choice. Pasta uses reinforcement learning to understand user preferences. Google collected over 7,000 real user interaction sessions. They used this data to train a user model that predicts preferences. Then they generated over 30,000 additional simulated interactions for training. Some people like photorealistic images, some want artistic styles, some prefer vibrant colors, while others want muted tones. Pasta figures out which type you are within the first couple rounds. Then it adapts everything to match your preferences. The tech behind this is actually wild. Pasta has 2 main parts. First is the candidate generator using Gemini Flash to create 25 different prompt options. These are organized into 5 categories, exploring different aspects of your idea. Second is the candidate selector that picks which 4 prompts to show you. It uses a value function to predict which options you'll like most. Based on your previous choices, it calculates scores for all 25 candidates. Then it picks the top 4 that will give you the best results. Every choice you make updates the model. It gets better at predicting your preferences with each round. If you want to stay ahead of AI developments like this, you need the right community. That's why I created the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We currently have more than 1,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Every time something like PASTA drops, we break it down and show you how to use it. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. In Google's official tests, people were way more satisfied with Pasta than regular image generation. When they asked users to compare final images directly, 85% preferred Pasta. That's not a small difference, that's domination. Pasta doesn't just modify your prompt randomly, it creates a slate of diverse options. This diversity is key to learning your preferences quickly. If it showed you 4 similar images, it wouldn't learn much. By showing you very different options, it figures out your taste fast. The system also handles critiques if you want to add feedback, something like add more color or make it darker. But you don't have to give feedback, it works great just from your image choices alone. Google used 3 types of data to train Pasta. First, they collected real human interactions, over 7,000 5-round sessions. Second, they used existing preference datasets like Pick-a-Pick. Third, they created simulated data by building a user model that mimics different preference types, then generated over 30,000 additional training examples. This combo of real and simulated data made Pasta way more robust. The user model identifies 16 different user types based on preferences. Some users prefer animals, others like food, some want abstract art. Once it knows your type, it optimizes everything for you. All right, at this point, you're probably wondering how to use this. Right now, Pasta is in the research phase at Google. The official announcement came from Google Research on October 2nd, 2025. Now let's talk about what makes Pasta different from competitors. Midjourney has an amazing model, but no real interaction. Stable Diffusion gives you control, but requires technical knowledge. Pasta combines the best of all these: great image quality, easy interaction, and personalized results. You don't need to be a prompt engineer. You just click on images you like and Pasta does the rest. The system also works with different image generation models. Google tested it with Stable Diffusion XL, but the framework works with any text-to-image model. They even tried it with Flux and got great results. This means Pasta could work with whatever model you prefer. Pasta could completely change how creative work happens. Right now, working with AI is frustrating. You have an idea in your head but can't get it out. With Pasta, the AI meets you halfway. It shows you possibilities you hadn't considered. It helps you explore your own creative vision. Users consistently chose options they hadn't explicitly asked for. Pasta expanded their creative vision. The technical innovation here is smart. Most multi-agent AI systems struggle with coordination. Pasta solves this with smart value functions. It predicts the value of each candidate prompt, then selects the optimal slate without wasting computation. The math behind this is called implicit Q-learning. It estimates value without needing to test every option. This makes Pasta fast and efficient. You get results in seconds, not minutes. Now we have a full SOP and process for AI image generation inside the AI Money Lab. Link is in the comments and description. Inside you'll find over 100 use cases for AI automation. We show you exactly how to use tools like Pasta for your business, every strategy, every workflow, every shortcut. And when new tools drop, we update everything immediately. Let me give you some practical ways to prepare for when Pasta launches. First, start experimenting with multi-turn workflows now. Use ChatGPT or Claude to refine your image prompts. This builds the skill of communicating with AI iteratively. Second, pay attention to your own preferences. When you generate images, ask yourself why you like certain ones. Understanding your preferences helps you work with systems. Third, save examples of images you love. Build a reference library of styles and aesthetics. When Pasta launches, you'll know exactly what to aim for. Here's what I think happens next. Google will integrate Pasta into their products within months, probably Vertex AI first for enterprise users, then eventually into consumer tools. Other companies will rush to copy this. OpenAI, Anthropic, Midjourney, they'll all need their version. Multi-turn preference learning will become the standard. For businesses, this changes everything. Right now, creating custom images takes forever. With Pasta, you get perfect images in 5 quick rounds. That's maybe 2 minutes of actual work. Imagine applying this to marketing materials, product images, social media content, blog illustrations. Everything gets faster and better. For creators, this is even bigger. You can explore creative ideas without technical barriers. The AI becomes your creative partner. Google open sourced the entire dataset on Kaggle. Over 37,000 interaction trajectories available for free. This means other researchers can build on this work. The whole field moves forward faster. Google Research confirmed this in their official announcement. Pasta proves that interaction design matters as much as model quality. You can have the best image model in the world, but if the interface sucks, users won't get good results. Pasta shows that thoughtful interaction leads to better outcomes. This principle applies beyond images. Think about code generation, content writing, data analysis. All of these could benefit from Pasta-style interaction. Show options, learn preferences, adapt and improve. This is the template for next-gen AI tools. Different users have wildly different preferences. Pasta handles all of this automatically. It doesn't force everyone into the same box. It adapts to individual taste. This personalization is the future of AI. All right, let's wrap this up with the key takeaways. Pasta is a multi-turn AI image generator from Google. It learns your preferences through your choices. Over 5 rounds, it creates increasingly better images. The system uses reinforcement learning and value functions. It's been tested with real users and the results are impressive. It represents the future of AI interaction design. Now for the final call to actions. First, the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where you need to be to scale your business with AI. Get more customers and save hundreds of hours with automation. More than 1,000 members are already inside crushing it. Link in the description. Second, book a free SEO strategy session. We'll look at your business and show you where AI can help you grow. Custom strategy for your specific situation. Link in the comments and description. Third, the AI Money Lab. We have a full SOP and process for everything we discussed. Over 100 use cases for AI automation. You see the checklist of 100 different tutorials we give away inside the community feed. You get all the video notes and trainings. And here's the thing, the AI Money Lab has 28,000 members. When you join, you're part of something massive. Link in the comments and description. Don't sleep on this. Pasta is just the beginning of a huge shift in AI. Your competitors are already learning this stuff. Are you going to keep up or fall behind? Pasta and tools like it are the next wave. Get ready now so you're not scrambling later.